This is the HSC. Then again, I'll tell you, it's 4.4 V8. It's a huge engine. Tell me something about this car. Tell me, start by telling me about the engine. How is the engine special and different from other Jeeps and other cars?
And most important of all, it's a V8 8-cylinder, 4.4 liter. It's very fast and very roaring, and of course for a Range Rover it really produces a lot of brake horsepower and a lot of torque.
I know this car honestly start होती है and once you इसको थोड़ा सा रेस देते हो गाड़ी को तो ऐसी आवाज़ निकलती है ऐसे डीजल इंजन की तो नहीं but a very powerful noise. Honestly speaking, when you're sitting inside only, if you just stand and आप रेस ही दें तो you feel the amount of power this car. Tell me how heavy this car is this car on fuel?
On fuel? Well, if you drive it like carefully, it would give you a 3.5 kilometers per liter max, not more than that.
The thing is that till now, when I met him, I didn't know that Pakistan mein diesel Range Rovers are also coming. Because that's surprising to me. I think to cater to the local.
They are coming in a much more higher quantity than the petrol versions because they are very low on pocket. As you know, diesel is only at 37, and a 2.7 would give you an average of 7 kilometers per liter, and it's on diesel.
Price range में कितना फर्क है?
Well, you can get a diesel in probably 5 to 5.5 million. And this one is for above 9 million.
That's the difference. What's special? One thing that's very special about this car that you think you have other Jeeps like you were telling me. So, इसमें और बाकी Jeeps में एक main difference. एक तो I think luxury would be a difference.
Luxury is the biggest point of them all. As a Jeep, being a Jeep, its luxury is just like a very luxurious sedan car. You can say the 7 Series or the 5 Series. इतनी luxury है इसमें. And secondly, the speed.
Is it comfortable?
It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. It's a mono shocks and stuff like that.
Okay,
very comfortable.
Great. So talking about this car, गाड़ी में basically हर चीज़ है. From power to sport to luxury to comfort, everything you get in one Jeep. Obviously अब वो 9 million तो मेरे पास नहीं है तो मैं नहीं ले सकता लेकिन जिनके पास है वो ले सकते हैं. Very powerful car. I think this is one of the cars to get if you're in Pakistan and if you love SUVs, then this is the car to get. Honestly, anyway, with that we're going to go take a drive and when you're sitting inside, we'll speak more about the Jeep. Let's go. So we're sitting inside the Range Rover Sport HSC, which is a 4.4 V8, sorry V6 बोल देता हूँ बार-बार, आदत नहीं है बड़े इंजन देखनी. बहरहाल, so this car is beautiful. Speaking from outside, this car is absolutely amazing to drive. I'm sitting on it और मैं बड़ा excited हूँ क्योंकि मैं ज़िंदगी में I think इतनी महंगी गाड़ी में और इतनी अच्छी गाड़ी नहीं चलाई होगी मैंने शायद. तो चलें, it's always a start. We're sitting inside. We'll speak to Sharik. Sharik, tell me about all the options inside. इसके जो इंटीरियर में जितने भी ऑप्शन हैं तुम काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शन मुझे बता रहे थे. So let's tell me.
Here is the navigation system. It's a touch screen 7-inch LCD. आपका entertainment भी यहीं पे. It has a DVD player. Over here is the wireless phone capability. आप अपना cell phone, if you have a Bluetooth on it, you can connect it to your car over here and speak wirelessly. And secondly, here is the CD changers. It has 6 CD changers, Harman Kardon surround system. Here is the climate control. Separate climate controls for the driver and for the front passenger, and the separate climate control for the rear seat passengers.
Okay, so one thing I want to mention about this car is the Range Rover is not only a luxury, it's not only luxury, it's actually very comfortable. The seating, जो इसकी जो seating है, it's extremely comfortable. When you're sitting, आपको लगता है कि you have complete grip, completely adjustable steering, जो कि बाहर भी आ सकता है, ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकता है, right? Sharik, उसके साथ साथ I think everything. One thing I love about this car is the armrest जो दिया हुआ है. बीच में एक अलग है. If you want that, you can avail that. But passenger और driver को दोनों को अपने armrest मिले हुए. So complete comfort. They've made sure that they look into our comfort. मैंने सबके इंटीरियर्स देखे हैं लेकिन जो फिनिशिंग और जो जिस क्लास से ये इंटीरियर बना हुआ है, I think I have never seen it in any car या फिर इनफैक्ट जो मैंने the only इंटीरियर I really liked was a 2007 S class का जो हमारे शो पे प्रीवियसली आ चुकी है गाड़ी. 2007 की S class, उसका और इसका कुछ कह सकते हैं कि beautiful interiors, they're properly well done up. I think जो हमारे लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं उनको एक दफ़ा इस गाड़ी में ज़रूर बैठना चाहिए फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, ताकि वो रियलाइज़ करें कि करोला XLI नहीं है भाई, या ये XI नहीं है कि ये देखो ज़रा इसमें और उसमें फ़र्क देखो. खैर वो पैसों का भी बहुत फ़र्क है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी डू ऑल्सो, हम भी यार मतलब मेहनत से तो ख़रीदते हैं ना गाड़ी, मतलब अगर 10 लाख की भी खरीदते हैं तो उनको ये क्वालिटी, अगर इस क्वालिटी के लेवल पे ऑब्वियसली नहीं आ सकेंगे क्योंकि ये रेंज रोवर की क्वालिटी है, बट समथिंग अलॉन्ग, आई मीन इट्स डन अप सो वेल. Anyway, we're talking about the inside options, traction, height, ये सब कुछ बताओ, height control, traction control, dynamic जो बता रहे थे तुम.
There are 3 height control levels in the Range Rover.
अच्छा.
One is access, one is standard, and one is off-roading. The standard is the normal
When you're
height
driving,
clearance. When
हाँ.
you're driving just like that, you're
ठीक
doing
है,
right now.
ठीक है.
Access में आपकी गाड़ी की height बहुत कम हो जाती है.
Okay.
Just like a low-profile car.
Okay.
It's for when you're going in some kind of tunnels or something to park your car underground.
सही है.
तो उसकी height नीचे होनी चाहिए.
Okay, great.
And in an off-roading, your car goes up by 700 millimeters. फिर वो आपका जो रेंज रोवर का रियल पर्पस है ऑफ रोडिंग का वो पूरा हो जाता है इससे।
टेल मी समथिंग, चलिए तो ऑप्शन जो हैं कि सारी जीप्स में ऐसे ऑप्शन बताओ जो किसी एसयूवी के अंदर नहीं है फ्रॉम द इनसाइड।
वेल हर जीप में आपने सुना होगा देयर इज अ क्रूज कंट्रोल राइट, बट none of jeeps which I know has an adaptive cruise control.
अच्छा.
The Range Rover HSE Sport has it.
Adaptive cruise control for those of the people who don't know क्या होता है वो बता दो क्या होता है।
Well, in adaptive cruise control, the car would also brake itself.
Okay.
If there is like any other car in front of you, it would brake itself.
अच्छा.
And once that car moves out of your way, then it would go on to your desired.
So basically you just need to set a speed
you
and
just need to set your speed and remove your foot from the brakes and your acceleration. That's
वो
it.
खुद ही will be
खुद ही
controlled
it would
on.
be accelerating and braking.
Wow, that's amazing. It's a 6-speed Tiptronic transmission. I think 6 speed क्या मतलब कि 6 गियर तो चाहिए भी नहीं होंगे, इतनी पावरफुल है कि तीसरे चौथे गियर में ही अपनी स्पीड पूरी कर लेगी। एक तो हमने मेंशन किया था कि फ्यूल पे दिस कार इज एक्सट्रीमली हैवी।
Extremely
So
heavy.
इसका टैंक कितने में फुल होता है पूरा?
Well, it needs high octane. और इसका टैंक मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अगर completely consumed up हो so it fuels up in 5,800 rupees.
Wow, and वो भी high octane।
High octane, yes. 90 liters.
That's a lot of petrol. And I think अगर if you keep flooring the car for about 1.5 hours तो आपका टैंक खाली हो जाएगा।
If you are like you driving it really fast,
Yeah.
then it does, yeah.
Top speed, what have you touched so far?
I have touched the top speed of 220 kilometers per hour.
Where was that?
It was on Karsaz, yeah.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
220 kilometers
Top
आराम से
speed.
करती है।
Yeah, it goes in like 40 seconds. 40-45 seconds.
That's amazing. Okay, talking about top speed, I think थोड़ा सा मुझे भी ट्राई करना चाहिए, थोड़ी सी इसको ज़रा किक डाउन देके गाड़ी को ट्राई करते हैं, देखते हैं कितनी भागती है।